Welcome to the Tamar Estuary River Health Action Plan May construction update video. In this update, we're taking an in-depth look at the ground improvement works happening at our Tea Tree Bend site in Invermay, in preparation for the construction of our new 10 megalitre covered storage tank.
The land we're working on here at Tea Tree Bend was originally a swampy floodplain. To support construction of the new 10 megalitre tank, we've commenced a ground improvement technique called mass soil mixing, also known as MSM. There are three main ingredients to this technique: cement, water, and the existing soil. MSM involves mixing the existing soil with grout to form something that resembles wet concrete. Once hardened, it will provide a solid, firm surface for construction, as well as help to prevent groundwater infiltration. We have set up our grout batching plant on site. This mixes the cement and water to form a flowable grout. Once the grout has been mixed, it is pumped through the grout line that travels to the large mass soil mixing excavator.
The large excavator is equipped with a hydraulic mixing head attached to a 7 metre long arm that you can see behind me.
The grout is pumped out through the mixing head while it rotates to liquefy the soil. It takes roughly an hour to mix a single MSM panel, which is a 3 metre by 3 metre square that's 7 metres deep. This grout-treated soil will harden and provide a solid base material suitable for our planned major construction works. Another benefit of the MSM technique is the material provides an impermeable barrier to stop groundwater infiltration, as the groundwater level in this part of Invermay is relatively high. Once each MSM panel is mixed, it's then left overnight to harden. It generally takes up to 28 days to reach its full strength. So far, the MSM operation is just over 55% complete. Over at our Kings Park construction site, we recently hosted a group of science and technology students from the Launceston College. The site visit was a great opportunity for students to visit the new sewer pipeline project, to view the construction methods we're using to lay the new pipeline 45 metres under the Kanamaluka Tamar Estuary. Over on the West Bank, we have finished installing the 1.1 kilometre of pipeline. We have now started to demobilise some of our gear from this area.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information on the project, check out the TasWater website or follow along on our socials.